Today's laptop falls into that category of devices that don't try to be flashy or overpowered, but instead focus on something a lot more important for most people: consistency in everyday use. At first glance, the design is clean and minimal. It doesn't scream for attention, and that's actually part of its appeal. The green finish gives it a subtle identity without going overboard, and the overall build feels like it was designed with practicality in mind. It's compact, lightweight, and clearly built for people who move between work, school, and home environments. The 14-inch display sits right in that sweet spot for portability and usability. It's an HD panel, so it's not trying to compete with high-end 4K or ultra-color accurate screens, but for real-world tasks, it gets the job done. Whether you're browsing websites, watching videos, attending online classes, or working on documents, the experience stays straightforward and readable. It's a display made for function, not flex. Inside, the machine runs on an Intel N150 processor with 4 cores. This chip is designed more for efficiency than raw power, and that defines the entire experience of the laptop. You're not buying this for heavy gaming, 3D rendering, or advanced video editing. Instead, it handles the daily essentials smoothly: web browsing, video streaming, office applications, virtual meetings, and general multitasking. For most users, especially students and office workers, that's more than enough. One of the standout parts of this package is how ready-to-use it feels right out of the box. Microsoft Office comes pre-included, which immediately removes one of the biggest extra costs and setup steps for productivity users. Applications like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint are ready immediately, making it ideal for assignments, reports, presentations, and office workflows without additional hassle. Another major inclusion is the 1 TB cloud storage for 1 year. This is where the device starts feeling more modern. Instead of relying only on physical storage, users get the flexibility of cloud access. That means documents, projects, and media can be accessed from anywhere, on any device. It also helps reduce the stress of running out of local space, especially for students managing multiple files or professionals working across platforms. Portability is clearly one of the strongest design priorities here. The laptop is light enough to carry in a backpack without being noticeable, which makes it a strong companion for commuting or travel. Combined with Wi-Fi connectivity, it stays reliable for online work, streaming, and communication, whether you're at home, in a classroom, or in a shared workspace. The keyboard experience is practical and built for long typing sessions. It's not overly complicated or premium in feel, but it's comfortable enough for extended writing tasks like essays, emails, reports, or note-taking. The trackpad is responsive and handles basic navigation without frustration, keeping the overall workflow simple and efficient. Running on Windows 11, the software experience feels modern and familiar. The interface is clean, multitasking is smoother, and the overall system is optimized for productivity. If you've used Windows before, everything feels intuitive. If you're new, it's still easy to adapt because the layout is designed to reduce friction and keep things accessible. What this laptop really represents is a shift toward practical computing. It's not trying to compete with high-performance machines. Instead, it focuses on being a reliable everyday tool. That means fewer distractions, fewer unnecessary features, and more emphasis on doing the basics well. For students, this setup covers everything from online classes to assignments and presentations. For office users, it handles emails, spreadsheets, document editing, and video calls without issues. For general home users, it works perfectly for browsing, entertainment, and light productivity tasks. The value here comes from the combination rather than a single standout spec. You're getting a portable device, a functional display, efficient performance, pre-installed productivity software, and cloud storage support all in one package. It's designed to reduce setup time and make the user experience as straightforward as possible. So instead of focusing on extreme performance numbers, this laptop focuses on something more realistic: being dependable in everyday life. And for a large group of users, that's exactly what matters most. Hi guys, if you want to buy this HP Elite 14-inch HD display laptop with Microsoft Office and 1 TB cloud storage included for 1 year, Intel processor N150, 4-core CPU, Wi-Fi, portable for home, a student, office, Windows 11, RK bundle, green, then please visit the link provided in the description. At the end of the day, this is a laptop built for simplicity, productivity, and daily reliability without unnecessary complexity.